No more insulin and medications. Say goodbye to diabetes forever by using only 2 ingredients. One of the most common health issues in the 21st century is diabetes. This condition occurs when the organism cannot produce the necessary amount of insulin, or it cannot use it effectively. The pancreas produces the hormone called insulin. Diabetes can extremely damage your overall health and cause severe health complications. However, we all know that diabetic people can live long life without any complication. These people often use some treatments and take insulin in order to improve their life. On the other hand, some people find it really irritating and painful to use insulin injections on a daily basis. Surprisingly, today we will present you an extremely effective, cheap, 100% natural and safe way that will help you in the fight against these medical conditions. Here is the recipe. Consisted of only 2 ingredients, 6 lemons, 300 grams of celery. Instructions: wash, grate and transfer the celery into a bigger pot full of water, and then add lemon juice from the lemons. Let the mixture simmer on low heat for 2 hours and let it cool down completely. Do not open the pot until the potion is cooled completely. Transfer the mixture in a glass and store it in your refrigerator. Consume a tablespoon of this miracle on a daily basis, 30 minutes before your breakfast. Perform this procedure for at least 2 months and you will significantly normalize your blood sugar levels. You will feel much healthier and better.